Okay, it has been 9 months since posting on this channel. So the question is, where have I been? Well, I hope you guys are doing well. Listen, if you've been following the Lark Funding channel, you have seen me. But again, it's been 9 months since I posted on this channel. It's because so many things happen in 2024. First off, let's talk specifically about this channel. Listen, if you've been around for a while, you know I started the channel back in 2021 just to share my trading journey, how I used prop firms to quit my job, how I was passing prop firm challenges. But I think the natural thing that a lot of YouTubers struggle with is if you have a lot of interests, YouTube can feel a bit limiting in the sense of the type of videos that you can make. So obviously a prop firm video, a trading video does well, but I have a lot of interests, and that's kind of why the channel pivoted in 2024, pivoted this year, and it went a lot more broad. And in hindsight, that was a mistake. I think I should have stayed within the niche of trading, within the niche of prop firms, but because I have so many different interests, I wanted to go broad. Now, again, I think it was a mistake, but it was an excellent learning opportunity. So I started making broader videos, just about money, finance, a couple political sort of commentary style videos, and a couple of them did really well. So I had the Salt Bae one, looking at him, that got over 200,000 views. I did a video on, I think it was the top 10 richest families in the US, that got over 300,000 views. And so learning how to kind of make those viral videos was a really good learning opportunity. But at the end of the day, it was a tremendous amount of work to make those videos. And while it was rewarding, it wasn't getting the same sort of traction and momentum that the trading videos had, right? Trading and investing is a space that I know so well that it doesn't take me a month to make a single video. And on top of that, throughout 2024, I've been building Lark Funding, I've been building Pip Munch, which is a daily newsletter for traders. And so I think the channel was just kind of got disconnected from that big picture of what's actually going on, the businesses that I'm building. And I think that was a mistake. So bringing it back to trading, for those of you watching, you know how crazy 2024 has been with prop firms. We've had so many companies go out of business. The market as a whole was wild. Bitcoin went up to $108,000. Gold went on a tear. The dollar is crazy. Trump got reelected. It's been just a phenomenal year for the market. I think the S&P 500 is up something insane, like 28%. So it's just been a phenomenal year. And if you're watching this and you sort of miss the type of videos that I used to make, updating you on prop firms, updating you on the market, on the trades that I'm taking, well, I'm happy to say that we're pivoting and going back to those types of videos. So if you've been waiting for them, I've gotten a lot of messages on Instagram and Twitter saying, yo, are you still trading? I've been trading this entire year. I just haven't been making videos on this channel. So to update you in terms of specifics on my trading, I just recently passed in November my 7th 100K prop firm challenge. Maybe that I used FTMO to quit my job back in 2021. I passed 400K challenges with them. The last 3 100K challenges that I've taken have been with Lark Funding. Now you could say, well, that's stupid. It's my own company. And yes, it is. But I shared everything for free. Full transparency, I shared all my stats and everything on passing those challenges. So why would I give money to another company when I have my own? But it's just to show how a simple strategy is effective. So that's kind of the update in my trading. And on this channel, throughout 2025, I'm going to be taking more challenges. I'll be updating you on the industry, setups I'm taking. And it's just going to be really a trading focused, prop firm focused channel. Now, looking ahead to 2025, I think it is going to be another phenomenal year for the markets. Are we going to see a recession? Is the stock market going to crash? Is Bitcoin going to crash? That's a totally different discussion. But when I say a phenomenal year, what I'm saying is I think there's going to be a lot of volatility. And as traders, volatility is what we need in order to make money. Now, in terms of prop firms, we saw, as I said, so many companies go out of business in 2024. Fortunately, Lark Funding is still very well positioned. But aside from my own company, because again, this isn't just a spiel for that, I do think we're moving in a direction of health, and 2025 is going to be phenomenal for traders. Listen, I still think prop firms are the very best opportunity in the entire world for traders right now. Rather than trying to trade your own personal capital, listen, if you put $1,000 in your own account and make 10%, who cares? You made $100. You're not going to live off of that. But if you invest $500 in a $100,000 challenge, you follow the rules and you pass, it can make you life-changing money, and the opportunity is right in front of us. So I think in 2025, we really need to seize it, and that needs to be kind of a singular focus for traders. All that to say, 2024 was a crazy year in the industry. Aside from work and business, I got married, so it was a little bit all over the place, but overall, I'm very excited for the new year. I'm very excited for what this channel is going to bring, for what the industry is going to bring. There's all kinds of crazy stuff going on, so I would love to hear from you guys what it is that you would like to see on this channel. Again, we're going the trading route, but in terms of actual specifics, if there's something that you would like to see, just let me know. Again, I mentioned PitMunch. We have over 27,000 traders. We launched it in 2024. It's doing really well. It's growing really quickly. So if you are a trader, if you want a daily 100% free email newsletter, you can subscribe to that down below. Over 27,000 traders start their day every single morning with this newsletter, and it's going to keep you updated on what's going on in the market, what's going on with prop firms, everything that you need to know in just a fun, easy to digest way. We break it down really, really simple, really straightforward. It's fun, it's funny. You can subscribe to that down below. And as I mentioned, I just passed my 7th 100K prop firm challenge. I'm trying to give way more value on this channel than people charge for. So I just made a brand new course on how I passed that challenge, my entire system, my entire strategy, and it's 100% free. It's in a Skool community, so you can click the link down below for that as well. But overall, I am super excited for 2025. Let me know what you guys want to see on this channel. And as usual, as I always say on this channel, if you made it this far, I appreciate it. I will see you in the next one. And until then, peace.